Can you feel me? Can you touch me? Can you trust me? Can you love me? I need you. Real, talk to him.
Tell how you looked at me. You knew my heart was broken and so empty. Even though my girl was next to me, she didn't see. I do believe that you wanna come and rescue me. If you read my mind, I'm saying please. I wonder if the choice will be. In time we'll see. She told me, she showed me, but she hurt me, and she loved me. Now I say, has anybody ever made you feel that way? Could you really love her through the pain?
Well, I don't wanna feel this way. I got too many bills to pay. Been drinking on Patron all day, mind in the maze, blowing on haze. I can't function, it gotta be something that you doing that got me unconscious. All this money, this fame, this pride, how could I feel this empty inside? Talk to him.
I've been thinking about giving up.
Can't give up.
But something inside me is holding on. When we don't know who's right or wrong, we still stay strong, keep moving on.
Don't stop.
And I promise I will never leave. But would you do the same for me? I wonder what the choice will be. In time we'll see. She told me, she showed me, but she hurt me, and she loved me. I say, has anybody ever made you feel that way?
Yeah.
Could you really love her?
Yeah. Fine as hell, fly Chanel, so fly. But will it last? Only time will tell. Only time. Love is real, and what I mean is, it's not enough words to explain the meaning. Come on. And what I'm saying is, all I need is for you to understand how beautiful she is. And all it takes is a little faith, and no matter the situation, in my heart you'll stay. Let's go. Come on.
I'll always be your friend. You'll always be my girl.
I'll always love you.
I'll never let in for
I'll never stop loving you.
You make me feel so warm and new. So would you stay with me?
She told me. She showed me.
She showed me.
But she hurt me.
But she hurt me.
And she loved me.
And she loved me.
All the same. Has anybody ever made you feel that way?
Could you really love her through?
Could you? Thank you for showing me how to love.